searching. Where's Waldo? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all good. So this brings us to the final part of the 3-part little series of the 18 Hit Wonders looks that are in the back. With that being said, let's get on to the final look. The final look is Royal Edge, Sultry and Regal, 1 Element, 2 Supreme, 3 Velvet. So let's find the colors. It says 1 Element. Let's find Element. I feel like I'm looking like a searching. Where's Waldo? Oh, right here. So we're going to use Element. I'm going to get my fluffy brush and I'm going to start out with Element in the whole eyelid. I hope this eye look is better than the second one. Now I'm going to get another brush and I'm going to go in with 2 Supreme. Supreme. And Supreme is going to go in the crease. I'm just trying to blend it all out. This is giving me kind of like Ursula vibes. I don't know why. It's cute, don't get me wrong. So I have that, a lot of fallout as you guys can see. I'll clean that up in the end. Now the eyeliner part is going to be 3 Velvet. So the purple shiny looking one. Get my e.l.f. eyeliner brush. Please show up well. Whoa. I'm gonna have to go in really well with this one. And now it's showing up. I poked my eye. Don't like that in order to show, I need to build it up more and more and more. But by building it up, I'm destroying my eyeshadow. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Again, I followed the, well, not even directions, but I followed the pictures that it had in the back of the e.l.f. palette. I'm going to show them to you again. It doesn't say that you need to blend it, that you need to build it up, that you need to leave it a certain way. It just shows in the picture how you need to apply it. But that's it. Again, this is look number 3. I like the colors individually, but together I just don't like it. I don't know. It's like kind of like the second look, that it gets too mixed in there, too everywhere. So I'm not a fan of this one. So now, since this is the final part, I want to rate the looks from the first one all the way to the third one. So third place has to be this look. The second place is the second one, and the first one of course is the first look. I really like the first look. I think that was the best combination that e.l.f. put here in the back. Like the bold blue, it was just beautiful. The second one, it's very pretty, but I just don't like the eyeliner part. This third one, it's very mixed and everywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know which one is your favorite look from all 3, and if you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these, and if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, nights, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.